The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Knox County, northwestern Peoria County, until 6:45 p.m. At 6:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near McQuan, or 13 miles northwest of Canton, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Yates City around 6:20 p.m. Elmwood around 6:25 p.m. Brimfield around 6:30 p.m. This includes Interstate 74 between mile markers 63 and 80.